Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our machine makers 8.2 by 1.2 galvanised steel 2-axis CNC slitter folder. These machines are used all around the world and throughout the rainwater products and sheet metal roofing industries. This one's a 2-axis touchscreen controller, CNC controller. So Kaylin's got a small program in there. So we're just going to show you just a brief overview on how this works. First of all, we'll do a little slit to show how the slitting works, and then we'll do a fold. So Kaylin's going to run a little program through there and just show us how it works.
Yep, so we've just got it running at the moment. All we're going to do is clamp the beam, which basically is obstructed by the light curtain at the moment, which you need to know about. Just going to clamp it. We're now going to run the slitter. Alright, so once that's returned home, we're just going to do a nice, easy fold. We're going to bring it back down again. Clamp it. We're going to do a 90-degree fold. If you wanted to, you could do additional folds depending on the sheet length that you've got inside, but in terms of manual control, it's very straightforward.
Right, so just show us through the programming, Kaylin.
Yeah, so we were just running through our manual screen where you can program in an angle and a length on your back gauge, which is all manual control. We've also got our auto capability, which is where you can draw a profile. You can also save the profile. And you can have it step through to get a result. So you can see here we've got a very strange profile, but nonetheless you can draw that profile in and edit it, and it'll make the steps up for you and give you a sheet length. So that's very convenient. We've also got slitting capability where you can program in a sheet length and have a couple of lengths set up, and it can slice those up for you automatically, which is also very, very useful. And then lastly, we have a neat little feature called rolled edge, which will essentially just run a bumping profile where it'll step through very short bends to give you a larger radius as a result. So that's a very neat feature as well.
Fantastic. So there's our 2-axis CNC controller on our 8.2, 1.2 machine makers slitter folder. This particular machine has a 1200 throat, so we can actually offer this machine in 900s, 1 meters and 1200. 1200 is probably the more preferred sort of size nowadays, just to give you more flexibility with all your rainwater products and your roofing processing. So as you can see, heavy duty build all the way down there. We've got a high-speed back gauge sort of system running on that as well. There's your cooler with your hydraulics and your hydraulic tanks, all your hydraulic cylinders there for your folding, and the build quality all the way around, like as we can see, is as per machine maker standard. So there's our machine makers 8.2 by 1.2 capacity slitter folding machine by Asset Plant Machinery. Jump online to assetplant.com.au. Thanks and have a great day.